Welcome students. Today we are going to study about the infinitives. Now the infinitives are of two types, with to and without to. 2 plus v1 form and without to means bare infinitives. Okay. Now first of all we have to confirm the finite verb and infinite verb. Now what is finite verb? A finite verb is a verb which can be changed according to a person, number or tense. जो वर्ब पर्सन प्रमाणे व्यक्ती कोणता आहे याप्रमाणे बदलतो किंवा नंबर प्रमाणे बदलतो, सिंगुलर नंबर और प्लुरल नंबर, किंवा टेन्स बदलल्यानंतर तो वर्ब बदलतो, त्या टेन्स बदलतो. These verbs are called as finite verbs. But what about the infinite verbs? Infinite verb cannot be changed according to a person, number or tense. Infinite verb हा पर्सन प्रमाणे बदलत नाही, पर्सन टू पर्सन इज नॉट चेंज. नंबर जरी बदलवला आपण सिंगुलर टू प्लुरल अँड प्लुरल टू सिंगुलर तरी त्यामध्ये काही फरक पडत नाही. आणि टेन्स जरी बदलवलं, कोणते टेन्स वापरलं तरी त्या वर्ब मध्ये बदल होत नाही. These verbs are called as infinite verb. Okay. Now the second thing, generally we use the infinitives in the base form, means v1 form, and the verbs which are used after modal auxiliary, will, would, shall, should, can, would, may, might, must. या मॉडल ऑक्झिलरी नंतर जे आपण वर्ब वापरतो ते काय असतात? इन्फिनिटिव्ह असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हियर यू मे गो. ओके. सी विल गो. याप्रमाणे हियर गो इज द इन्फिनिटिव्ह विदाउट टू, मीन्स बेअर इन्फिनिटिव्ह इट इज. देन अगेन वी यूज इन्फिनिटिव्स इन ऑर्डर. गो होम, गो इज द इन्फिनिटिव्ह. Come here, come is the infinitive. Do it at once, do is the infinitive. Means these are the infinitives. Without to means we can say they are the bare infinitives or without to. Okay. Now some examples are there. He likes to read a book. Here to read is the infinitive. Okay. Now how can we say that it is infinitive? Because this is not changed according to a person. If we change the person, if we use she in place of he, she likes to read. Again, I like to read, they like to read. Means even though we change the person, but it is have no any change, and therefore it is infinitive. If we change the tense, he liked to read, she liked to read, they liked to read, I like to read. Means even if we change the tense, even then there is no change in this verb. Therefore this verb is called infinitive. Okay. Means infinitive is not changed according to person, a number or tense. To read is a infinitive. Okay. Then to read. Second, they wanted to go to school. Now in this sentence, the tense is simple past. They wanted to go. To go is infinitive. To go हा infinitive आहे, कारण यामध्ये आपण समजा हा पर्सन बदलवला, सब्जेक्ट बदलवला, ही घेतलं, he wanted to go. तशी she wanted to go, I wanted to go. म्हणजे आपण पर्सन जरी बदलवलं तर यामध्ये काही बदल होत nahi. There will be no change in the infinitive. Okay. Now to go is a infinitive. Okay. Then third sentence, she wished to attend the party. To attend the party, to attend is the infinitive. Okay. Fourth, to err. Err means चुकणे. To err is a human. चुकणे हा मानव धर्म आहे, मानवाचा गुण आहे. To err. Now it is in the place of subject. Means the infinitive can do the work of a subject or the object in a sentence. Then fifth, how did people first begin to drink tea? It is the interrogative sentence. And which is the infinitive? How did people first begin to drink tea? Now all these are the infinitives with 2 plus v1 form. 2 नंतर क्रियापदाचा पहिला फॉर्म आपल्याला लिहायचा आहे. ओके. नाउ सेकंड, बेअर इन्फिनिटिव्ह और विदाउट टू. Infinitives which are used without to. Now I asked him work. Now work is the infinitive, because again there will be no change even if we change the person. Here if we use he asked him work, they asked him work. Okay, we asked him work. If we change the tense, I ask him work, she asks him work, means even if we change the person, number or tense, there will be no change at all in this verb. Therefore this verb is called infinitive without to. It is called the bare infinitive. Okay. Second, he would not let him go. Here he would not let him go. यामध्ये काही बदल होत नाही. आपण जरी सब्जेक्ट बदलला, पर्सन बदलवलं, याचा टेन्स बदलवलं, ओके, नंबर बदलवलं, तरी पण यामध्ये फरक पडणार नाही. इट इज इन्फिनिटिव्ह. देन लेट हिम जॉइन अस. जॉइन इज द इन्फिनिटिव्ह. तर जॉइन मध्ये याच्यामध्ये फॉर्म मध्ये बदल होणार नाही. आता या जे इन्फिनिटिव्ह आहेत, इन्फिनिटिव्ह आपल्याला आता वाक्याचा टेन्स कळत नाही. ओके, we can't guess the tense on the basis of the infinitive. Okay. Then fourth, can you name the singers? Name. Can you name? Again, if we use could you name, okay, would you name, there will be no change. Is it the verb form to name. Name means नाव सांगणे. Can you name the singers? तुम्ही सिंगर्सचे नाव सांगू शकता का? नेम इज द इन्फिनिटिव्ह. देन आय हर्ड हिम ड्रा अ पिक्चर. ड्रा, इट इज द infinitive, means bare infinitive without to. Okay, in the infinitives may be of with to or without to, that is called the bare infinitives. Again there are some examples. The first example, it was funny to read words that stood still. Here to read is the infinitive. In the second, can you read? Now read is the infinitive. In this sentence, to plus v1. In this sentence, without to. Can you read? Again, if we change would you read, should you read, there will be no change at all. If we change the person, can he read, can she read, there will be no change. Therefore, in this sentence, read is the infinitive. Then third, to be or not to be. Be means to be form. Be, to be or not to be. That is the question. In fourth, setting goal may appear easy, but it is quite challenging. Now, which is the infinitive in this sentence? Setting goal may appear. After the modal auxiliary, appear is the infinitive, because there will be no change, even if we change person, number or tense. Therefore, appear is the infinitive. Okay. Then we read down to bring down, we read down to bring down live images down to earth and plan to execute our strategies. Here in the sentence, we read down to bring is the infinitive. Then down live images down to earth. Now to earth is not the infinitive, because after to earth it is not the verb. इन्फिनिटिव्ह होण्यासाठी टू नंतर वर्ब पाहिजे. समजा सब नाउन असेल तर तो इन्फिनिटिव्ह होणार नाही. ही फ्रेज आहे, डाऊन टू अर्थ मीन्स नतमस्तक. अँड प्लान, नाउ इट इज इन्फिनिटिव्ह. टू एक्झिक्यूट, अगेन द अनदर इन्फिनिटिव्ह. अँड प्लान, टू एक्झिक्यूट अवर स्ट्रॅटेजीज. मीन्स इन दिस सेंटेन्स देर आर 3 इन्फिनिटिव्स, टू ब्रिंग, प्लान अँड टू एक्झिक्यूट. एक्झिक्यूट मीन्स अंमलात आणणे. ओके. Now I think you are better understood about the infinitives, 2 plus v1 form and without 2 form, that is called the bare infinitives. Okay, let's stop here.